one day sidakiwe le ngifuna sidlulise umuzuke wathi kimi ukekile because wena ujola noPito. I think now uyayazi leyo akekho ongayazi le umuzi like leyo thato yayimhetha asho ukuthi ukekile because wena ujola noPito. Okay sharp mengilandelela fela uPito ungathi mekafonela wena afuna okay cela usidlulisele lapho.
So there was a day when Upito said to him, I want to meet your wife.
Yo le yamhlanyisa.
That's true.
And that's how I met Upito.
Yeah.
We went to a Clorcop and I met Pito and whatever. And we exchanged numbers in front of him. We exchanged numbers. And Upito would call me. Like I remember there was a game, it was I think maybe a game on Saturday. Besides stadium, I think Muzi was playing. Yeah, he was playing. We drove back. Masifika endlini phone yami yakhala athi Pito ngathi yabona coach angifonela wathi yeah ngaphendula ngathi hello coach njani sabulisana sharp wathi listen that man must not go out I need him for a game Saturday ya Wednesday. So mina no Pito besikhuluma into enjalo and in every conversation that Pito and I would have he would be aware of it.
Aspire to inspire before you expire.
Okay. Abuya setting ya confused.
Ngithi wet of the day shwele la ibar.
Sisithathu.
Hello.
Ngathi ngavela ngisheke ngithi woo. Alright. Ngijabulele ukubona. Yazusijubulo ngiyangithelele nje umuzi lezi hayi makazi sister. Ngikhathele itori. Ngikhathele isitoko usijubu uhleza nje
Hayi sengikhona.
Fikile usisithathu.
Ngifikile.
From Davidton
Yebo. Far East.
Yes, angifuna ukuzizwa le.
Akusekude la.
Akusekude.
Kukude.
Yoso uthi driveile sister.
Angidrive.
Wathi nje ngiyovakasha ngale
Ngathi
kusijubu.
ngize Jozi.
Ngibozela nje uzejozi. Ngithi ngicabanga lokuzisheka njengakazi. So you know what we're gonna do now? Bazokushaya makeup, then we'll have a bit of an intro.
Okay.
Ukuthi kahle kahle kenzakalani. But now ngushuku Makhula. Makhula.
Sijugulugu.
Yazi ngiphethe wani?
Njani Sijugulugu?
Usisithatho. Yo. Yazi mama.
Right.
Right.
Right fella. So we are namhlanje.
Babenito, Godmani. Nangu sister ufikile.
Sanibonani. Ninjani? Ngiyaphila.
So you just break.
Ngiyabonga.
So siphethe usisithatho. Usisithatho.
Ngiyabonga.
Awusithatho. Kitlele awusithatho mongwe plus lena obethile di hill.
Hello. How are you? Good evening. Nice to meet you.
Aketse gore lena ke mitsa ka DJ Hill sorry.
How can I you can call me Hills.
All right. So we're just gonna have a bit of an intro about you, ne?
Sure.
So ngifuna sihlale nje lana 2 minutes. Usika space nyana yabo. Asitshele kahle kahle ukuthi usithatho
Hlala ngakuphi mina?
You can just sit here. So sithatho njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Sharp. I didn't introduce myself. Kamara mshabo ma 2K. Cousin ka Beyonce expect Cardi B.
Oh.
Usithatho ubani?
Uthato. Kamnami Uthato, surname is Moch. Mother to a 9-year-old.
Okay.
Ex-fiance ka Mziyayise Mashaba.
Okay, so umntwana wakhe noMuzore.
Yes. Umntwana kaMusi.
Yazi ke le ngoba mina ngi2000 ngengizolo ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi hey kanjani and all that usijuku nilindile usisithatho nayo nilindile. Yimi indaba ngizifuna lapho. Ngithi ngijimele nje kunelinye ikhona la bathi shaba sikhona. So ngisakulo wena nje ubonana noShuka.
Hayi sabanye.
Thank you sister.
Ngiyabonga.
It is Trap and Bass on Clock Buffet and Fridays are for Trap and Bass. Congratulations, my trappers, for making it to Umach. It's a new month with new goals and new opportunities. Don't forget to make kindness a daily behavior lapha emakhaya. By now, seniors, my trappers, ukuthi ngihlezi nginiphethe lesishisayo over the weekend. This weekend kushisa phe. It's the Nedbank Cup quarterfinals. Le iwafa wafa. Saturday nge-80s kaMarch ngo-3 p.m. le Polokwane Matrappers sesukile leyo ndaba. Pitori versus Soweto. It's SuperSport United up against the Orlando Pirates. Ngo-6 p.m. le Cape Town is Stellenbosch up against the Kaizer Chiefs. Bese ngo-8 p.m. le Pitori it's Mamelodi Sundowns versus Isikhukhune United. Bese Sunday nge-9 kaMarch after church sile eDurban eThekwini ngo-3 p.m. Durban City up against Marumo Gallants. Ngisho Matrappers nayazi lengoma ethi amanye amadoda ayaphumelela, amanye amadoda waphumeleli, abanye bayokhala, abanye bayophumelela to the semis of the Nedbank Cup. All the best to all the teams. Today's guest referred to our first female guest in season 3. Okay, right. So niyacava ngithi ukuthi kuna 3 sides of the story. His side, her side, and the truth. Masinathi sihlahlele emuva sibuyela kuyo episode 2 Matrappers. We got history saka Muzika isemashaba and wanted to find out ukuthi who's this lady who's part of the Moses Rise and Fall. Today's in Bethlehem na usis Chato. Chato Muchekwane is the ex-wife to Muzika isemashaba, a mom to a 9-year-old handsome boy. Losisu Fundile ke. She's a qualified IT programmer and a beauty therapist who owns Lash by G, a Lash beauty studio based in Davidson. She's a lover of life and all things great. Singakhohlwa nokuthi uyashisa uyababa njengopelepele. Hey muhlu sisi, let's give her indlebe yethu with uSjugu, uChato noSizwe lapha estudio.
Awuyebo sijukujuku amawala amavulavala wamawida wama-international mfana kacheka umfana today. Welcome to another exciting episode bafethu eTrap and Pass. Niyazi ngihlale ngami ngiwani ngihlale ngamba nabangani bami njengoba ngihlale ngibayintroduce ngiphethe nje yami umsizwane uKren.
Kren manje.
Right picture. Yeah, uMarch manje yazini uMarch ngifethi Human's Right Day sibuya kuma Valentine nani mfethu.
That's why it's bed store.
Yeah, siphethe store namhlanje. Hills.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm happy that I have a lady with us today. Excited. Come on, now who do we have here today?
Hi Tato, Kitato.
Hi, Tato.
By the way, all right. Long time, Gano. I'm take 5. Hey, all right. Yeah, guys, this is Tato. He's the introducer. Maritenga isho. Episode 2. Gamuzi Mashaba. Azang saketelela. Since it's logos kuluma, yimedi nan. Yabona mawuchaza ukuthi media kwenjani multimedia kwenjani ayenzini
ayambi inkwaka
this guy had the best girlfriend yase Davidson, best wife bazedladeni bangishayile round best. I don't know what happened guys. So sibonile ukuthi namhlanje sibize i-ex fiance yakhe izosikhulumela. Hey ziningi itori yo hey Jesus help me. Tato unjani?
Ngiright ngani?
Ngiyaphila ungazi introduce.
Igama lami nguTato Much. I'm Zika Isemashaba's ex-fiance, and I'm here to speak my truth.
Yes, girl. Let's
Yes.
go. But before we get there, can you tell us a little bit about yourself before we get into the nitty-gritty?
Obviously, I've said my name is Tato. I'm a mom to a 9-year-old.
That you share with your ex-fiance?
Yes.
Oh.
What else?
Oh, that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
And then can you tell us how you met him? Maybe let's just get there.
Wow. Met him through Paulos Masay.
Masay.
Yes. Met him through Paulos because Paulos was my friend. Met him through Paulos. I think we'd gone to a party in Alex. That's how I met him. And yeah, the rest is history.
Can we know a little bit before the history? Like, was he cute? What attracted you to him? Like,
Ushilo na ingisi bengasathalathi you handsome.
yeah, she's more than anyone.
Yes, I think the handsomeness, the energy, Uzi was, or still is, I guess, hyper, you know, but just, and unempatho man,
Like, how did he get it to your heart? What did he do? Like, why was it him? I'm sure there were a lot of other guys that persuaded you.
Number one, it's not because we're a soccer player, ne?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's get that out of the way.
And then I think like I'm saying, I loved his personality, just the way we ngangiphatha ngakhona, and we vibed. So I was like, okay, let's give it a try. And yeah.
So it was love at first sight.
Not really at first sight, yes. I think it started 2 months before ngimphi number yami.
Before number?
Yebo.
So when you communicate kanjani?
Bekangistalka ku Instagram.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And then uSjugu ungenaphi yena kule mix?
So I met uSjugu through Umuzi.
Okay.
Yes.
And you guys became friends?
Yes. So azange ngihuke up uSjuku.
Yeah, oh my yellow bone. He's
No,
known
that's
for
not
that.
okay.
Like, he's obviously known for that.
And angisi yellow bone mina so angithi.
And you are gorgeous.
Ngiyabo.
Natural.
That time ama-dark bone mingawa
This.
That's how obsessed manje.
So
asengikhulile.
so Tato uPaulos makathi ukushange pass nawe wayibheka phela ngithi sometimes into nokuyithi ukhulume noThatho dayiyo le.
No, uPaulos sisuke uthe kimi bese ephathini wathi mngani kunomnye umngane nami ngifuna simlande. eSouth, sahlala eSouth umuzi. Ngathi I no problem ngani wafika manje ubhuta ne-energy ngathi uPaulos ubhuta uzongihlula yazi. Wathi hayi man mkhuthi relaxa. Then saloku sikhuluma ngabona ukuthi hayi man not bad man la.
Impatho umuthi impatho umuzi mekakuphatha kanjani? Like explain impatho like kanjani? Because most abantu ngama-soccer player ba-expect impatho kube into zabo vacation nani. So wena mekakuphatha like kanjani? Iphi impatho yakhe mekakuphatha yona? Because angikhumbuli mina nginibone enima-posted nithe Jope kuphi artist. Hayi kusho ukuthi wena uzithandela impatho yalocal.
Impatho ku Diamond Walk. Ini.
So I think with us at that point, besingathanda poster number one. That's why you've never seen us go my Instagram and you know all of that. We did do a few vacations, and when I refer to Impatho, just consistency. You know, he's there. You know, he does what he has to do. And remember that also Mina Nomuzi, we moved in Nasikdalaman season. You know, so also Impatho, he just knew how to take care of home. You know, he did what he had to do. So yeah.
Can I ask, you mentioned Duguti being a postani and all of that. Was there reasoning behind that?
No, we used to post, but we also postana, but we just never put our lives.
So you chose what you posted.
You know, yeah.
So you never had an agreement about the post and what other reasons again.
We did have Guti, our life is private. We'll post what we want to post, not what.
But there's a Tato in Karagupi. Paulos Marta Solando Muyunga, Benvumelene or he like Pelhawe as well as Toko, Chomaga.
And the footy when I see there's no way Pilamania's listen to some passing game, you must have mind work on. There is no way to Paulos had to go as some Solando Muganum. It been when I maybe out him be some Paulos Ungadako one or a pine.
Yeah,
What a cycle. That was a lot.
Oh, no, when I'm telling muntu.
So change your blondie lotting Ladunganum, you Mugum.
Bega corner, Bega say he was in Joburg. So every time Bega say Joburg, you know, at times he'd call me and say, Mkhotsi kiting. Arabona, we would see each other, and that day he happened to say, Nyepatini Alex, Utamale Nakarai Mkhotsari. Arai Chumiaka South Karai Ari. And that's how it happened.
So Chelil would Chumiaka Kuratela now.
No. Agangjano which is soccer player for that matter. Because even the day when we picked him up, I wasn't aware that he's a soccer player.
When did you become aware that he was a soccer player?
I think 2 weeks after that. Ngihleli endlini ngibukela iTV. Welibhola. Man ngiyambona lokhu busy yawa wepolet. Mfowethu uPaulos ngithi ayibo. Abutona nokhile lena. Kiyo busy wawa mo groundong. Kena arikena mkhotsi karo okay I'm mkhotsi no.
So I call manje ama feelings phela
Fucking interest, yeah.
Akhuphuka manje.
Be honest.
Ncane.
Akhuphuka. So when uPaulos okay let me move. uPaulos unomazi like kanjani? Amachita webhola sile there's no way ukuthi uPaulos akazafuna umngane wakho or akuzama. Sometimes angithi
ngiyakona umngane wami but singathi ama secrets wabantu.
Okay.
Hayi ama secrets wabantu.
Those khulumela.
But uPaulos ngimazi through umzimba shake. Umandla.
Mandla
Konje bani?
udlala ibhola uDJ
Hayi man bekadlala ibhola badlala iChiefs.
Masango. Okay. Sharp.
Masango.
Okay.
So when was a soccer player, there's no way Tata was actually only 1 year.
No,
Beside league,
Muzi.
like before Slakanal Moose, they started the soccer player. That's what I'm trying to say.
So also how I know some of them was because one of my friends, known to Tugo, the good chef, a Southern Sun, in Parktown.
Okay.
Yes. So most of them, they were Kampala, especially the national team at that time.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Manje chuwazi ukuthi phela ichain manje seyinomandla. Iqala kumandla Paulos seyinde Thato manje izanayo.
Hayi iphelele lapho.
So okay, Sharp Thato ngiyakuzwa ke. Athi ngibuze lena so Sharp kwenzeka vele wena noMuzi okay story ngiyasazi vele uKilly Wing sazi ngakhona. Ukhuluma iqiniso njengomuntu ofire. Wena noMuzi ngimuva in nonke ekuphi
South.
yeah la khona mohamba besifaka isitoko vele okay
Zaphuma indaba.
ngimuva in lapho
Yeah.
okay
First year niqala ukudate like
Yeah, she said
No,
shortly
months
after they dated.
Maybe 2 months or 3 months after.
okay
Yeah.
azangomusha isikhathi
Oh no.
Well,
Maybe
well,
umuntu walobola.
Hmm.
Umuntu walobola 9 months. 9 months in.
When you know, you know. When you know.
no
9 months in.
ngiyasirate stuff sakho
sithi siyashisa
hayi be
so ulobola 9 months and then nisahlala south
Makalobola besihlala South. So walobola this weekend. The next weekend we moved to Brakpan.
yeah lapha kan le andlu le
Yes.
leqoshe kuyo
yakhe straight ukuthi wena uhlale for mina yazi double story cela uphume umuntu omumusha nango
Remember that when we moved futhi la South, Simova because Upito is saying, angisakufuni South. Babambiza king of South.
yeah
Yeah, bathi uyahlupha, bathi Soweto uyahlupha.
sure
Pito's like angisakufuni South, suke South.
okay
Then we decide to move to Brakpan.
okay nahlala eBrakpan seniyahlala eBrakpan kumnandi
Brakpan we bought a house, beautiful house. Yeah, we moved in there. I think we moved in there 2014. Yes, 2014. Moved in 2015. Ngaba pregnant. I think December. I moved out, but also when I moved out, it was the 16th because I think Sundowns had a game the Chiefs. 16th of December. Moses Mapida. So by Hamburg, obviously Campo. They come back on the 17th.
okay
But we need. I'm at work. He calls me, says to me, "Hi, ngilendile." Ngithi, "Oh, okay, I nami ngizochayisa ke sohlangana endlini." You know? He says to me, "No, before ngendlini ngifuna ukudlula ekhaya eWatville. Ngiyobona umalume. Ngifuna ukumhleka ukuthi sidle iChiefs." Ngithi, "Hayi, inkinga ayikho, mara still nizongithola endlini."
ulo malume wakhe lo wakujikela
Yabona?
useza la
Uhleli mani endlini, hayi ngimela umuntu. Hayi umuntu akaveli. Ngiyamfonela ngithi hayibo ndoda. Phela wena uthe uyohleka liyena and then uyabuya endlini. Hayi mani ngiyalizwa nelimi seliya rola yabona. Ngiyamuza ukuthi hayi lo lahleli khona ulithi. Shuthi sekayiphuza. Ngikwade indaba ukuthi but uhleli ubaba umuzi. You've left a highly pregnant woman at home. The first thing you're supposed to do is come back home. Uzobona ukuthi umuzi wakho usamile.
Nokuthi ingane isase
Usase right. And then you can gallivant, you can go drinking. Decide ukuthi yabona ke le yile nyeke ngikhona. Ngithatha into zami. I think ngithatha ama outfits ayi2. Fake back in, afake emotweni yami, left. And that's how I left that house.
for good.
Yes.
so how months
How many
pregnant?
months? I was full term. I left in 17, gave birth on the 28th of December.
That's a full 9 months.
So for no driving alone we are alone in the house
But okay, please walk me through you getting to Ekaya after leaving him. Like, how were you feeling? What were the emotions? Did you know you were gone for good, or you thought you were gonna go back? What was the process?
So I think even before I left, I called my mom and I spoke to my mom, and my mom said, actually, I'm just going to be honest. I said to my mom, "Muzi one dinner, it's something." And my mom said, "If you're feeling like that,
Come back.
come back home." And that's how I left.
kanjalo nje perfect
There was no conversation between you and him after you left.
At that point, no. At that day, no. So I left, Ngayekaya, and then he called me, and then we had a whole, obviously,
Argument,
Salas
yeah.
Kia, you know. And then I think that same night he ended up calling a locksmith because I'd left with the key.
So you changed the locks.
He changed the locks. And then I think a few days before Christmas, I said to him, "I need my stuff." And one around he said, you know. And I was like, okay, cool. 28th, gave birth. I had some phone like your brother. I had some phone. I had some phone. Good I pela na bundle of joy. Say figil. Do. Eventually, response. Since I'm done now, figil special service. He knows the hospital because we're Sambakwan again. He says to me, "Yes." So obviously he comes. Uzo umntwana magafika. Uza nabantu bakibo. But if it's our bese at that time. So obviously he can go. He can come in because he's the father.
yeah.
He comes. I bonumtana ke. Umnandi. He says, abantu basekhaya bakhona. Ngithi, okay, no, we can walk because you can see the child through the windows. Hambe ngibonisa abantu bakithi umntana. Ngithi kuye as uma bahamba athi mina ngiyabuya ngiyabahambisa. Ngithi okay, ecanteen phansi ngicela ungiphathele into sona so athi sharp. Waphuma umuza ayibe ngicangagcina ukumbona ke.
Jehovah.
Ngalelo langa.
Hey, my daughter. So since that day till today, what happened that day?
Well, obviously I saw him when I went to fetch my stuff. Njengoba ngitshela ngama double story ke.
Ila uthi le story sengiyasithola. Okay.
Ngisho ukuthi thatha moving out. Since you moved that ngale 9 months.
Yes.
But you.
Yes, I went back home.
Uyazi ukuthi abanye abafazi mfethu madoda anokuthathwa isipoko. Abuye after 3 days manje atshwarelle.
No.
250 mnganami. Yazi uyabona sikhuluma kanjani? Ngicela kucocela ukuthi mekaya ayolanda impahla zakhe. Mekaya ayolanda impahla zakhe.
Yeah.
So bangani ngimpahla, I think I called him that day. Ngithi ngifuna into zami, but still yangiroundisa ubhuti. Ngithi hayi lo yabona sikanjwayela kanti manje. Hayi ngivutha ubhuti wami, my late brother, ke ngwana mama. Ngisho nondlwala mbabadli kanithotsaka. I'm mntana sikhaya ke bekuyiscope dry. Ara ke na mola ngwana makere mama mathi hayi. Bathole swarisa lona. Hayi sihambe siye court. Sicele ilona. Ukuthi basibhalile letha ukuthi sicela amaphoyisa as-escort.
Okay.
Hayi sifike ecomplex vele mawufika ngimofika namaphoyisa vele abafoneli nomnikazi wendlu ukuthi sebakhona bavele bathi ayingenani. Hayi singene ke, it was myself, my brother, my uncle. Yeah. Sama nge-truck ne-van. Hayi masifika gate livaliwe. Ke hayi ngwana maskawara. Kukantwe ipush. Hayi vela kuke push. Garage livuliwe. How? So garage has got a door that leads into the house. Hayi masifika kodwa mangene. Hayi nangu brother kumnandi badekile futhi itafula yena no Mrs. ucelebrate. How? Athi ngene kanjani ngithi hayi sesingenela kusini sakusa. Uthi manje sesingene kanjani? Hayi umuntu asikhozela idrama ke. Ngithi ayibheka la ke. Ngiyakubona ke uhleli kamnandi ngithi inkinga yikho. Angiselanga la idrama. I'm just here to pick up my stuff. Na truck, na van. Masithatha izinto. Let's part ways. Hayi ke hayi umuntu. Yeah. Hamba yakini. 4 room yakini. Nangizohlala double story yami. 4 room khaya. Okay. She say so. Again, asizalanga lokho kuzohula. Ngifuna into zami. Nakhona ezinye he gave me, ezinye he didn't. Lezi bangafuni, like there are certain things that he didn't want ngazo, like finish angafuni ngayo, especially into zomntwana. Like before I left, we were fine, man. Sithengile into zomntwana, ama-cot, you know, everything. He didn't want ngazo. Up until today, azikho.
But I hear you saying, Guti, you got in and you were not there for a fight. But as a woman, seeing another woman in your house.
I didn't even talk to her. I didn't even address her. I'm not here.
But how did you feel? Like, inside? Like, obviously outside you're acting strong and you're like, I'm not here for you.
I was hurt.
Inside, yeah.
No, I was hurt. Definitely. No, I was hurt. Like...
And umntana semncane at the time?
I think my child was 2 weeks.
No.
2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. I was hurt, but also, I'm not here. Also, I'm not going to address you as the lady. I was shelanga.
Yeah.
Even if it's shelile.
But uvumile nena, he's the one with the partner.
So we're not here to fight. That's all.
So after landing into you and him, the communication.
Oh, ma. Sambi khotha ngathi yini. Hayi Davidson khotha basazigahle.
Wena naye.
So besingazwani at all.
Hayi asazwani. Manje phela sambi khothi.
Ufuna divorce, ufuna indlu now.
No, angifuni nithi Sju. Sambi khothi because at first ungizele ngiyitayile ukuthi ya akafuni maintain umntana ngathi angizobophisa ke.
That's madness.
Zobise maintenance court ke mina. Ngamise maintenance court. But also sihamba ne court silwa ukuthi ngifuna into zami isendlini. Whatever is yours is yours.
Just give
whatever's
me
mine is mine. Just give you my stuff and we're good.
Can I just take it back a little bit?
Sure.
You said you left a few days before you gave birth. Was that the separation, or the separation happened before that or after the birth of the child?
I think that was the separation, eh?
You leaving was it?
Yeah, like I think I was done. I was just tired. I was just, you know, at that point I sat and I said to myself, am I really going to be a mother of 2?
Oh,
because
that's deep.
Yeah, because now kuzovela umntana, but nala
I can't
logo babysha. You know, And I think I take it back to episode 2 where he says,
Yeah.
I-lifestyle yami neyakhe bezingafani ngithola.
Okay.
Angeke ufuna ukungivalela at the same time bangithi asivayo awufuni.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying? So angeke ufuna ukungivalela endlini and ibras zami ziyaphuma and mina ngihlezi endlini ngihlala nawe 24/7.
it was me babying him because I was required to baby him for him to
he was
be
acting like a
far in
child.
his career.
Yeah, at the same time, bomb protector for a career, but there were signs that we are sitting as Chuguma so chola.
And umuntu mase akushintshe.
Yeah, ngithi siyabathi abafana bajumpis maselo phela ustola maybe uthole enye into encane king. That's why many relationships ziba ne problem asekunomntwana. So bekunama sign good time man.
Did you think before maybe
Or
getting
maybe
pregnant
normal.
also, did he change or?
No, beka normal. Like, I think into amantombazana man, soccer player, you'll know that. Saba khona conversation nyano zoyibona, but I'm comfortable ngwami man. Ngeke lokuthusa la ngaphandle so.
Yeah, wena manje.
So you didn't care what happened outside as long as when Abu sendlini.
No, not that I didn't care. Obviously, Jolo, you know, like even if there was no Jolo that I knew of at that point, you know, yeah.
So you never caught anything like maybe
Of this lady?
nudes? Yeah, maybe the lady or anyone else.
Of
Nothing.
this lady, no.
So this lady was the first time you saw her when you walked into the house to get your stuff.
So Tato, mina yazi sometimes nginokukhuluma nomuzi bekangazi ukuthi ngikhuluma nawe. Namarita ngithi ukuthi mina.
I made a minute.
Mengikhuluma nomuzi bekangazi ngikhuluma nawe.
Elikhulu guys.
Sometimes one day sidakiwe, le ngifuna sidlulise. Umuzi uke wathi kimi ukekile because wena uthola noPito. I think now uyayazi leyo. Akekho ongayazi le umuzi like leyo Tato yayimhetha. Asho ukuthi ukekile because wena uthola noPito. Okay, sharp mengilandelela. Fela uPito ungathi mekafonela wena afuna.
Le media yakhe le meketron coach mekafuna ukuyihlafuna.
Mina ngisazi ke.
Hayi thuna manga.
Yazi awuthami ngiyaqoqela.
Namanga letho.
Mina i-out lena emina endoda emina mengiphila nale out emina mengiphila nale out people mengiphila nale out angikhethi ngithuli mengiphila nale out ithathikhulumeni
Shrek.
baze azane number phone yasendlini
Shrek.
ucoach manje seka angidle mina ngithanda ukuphuma ama out coach seka mbanda nemi
Mara nebenza le nto.
Yabo kuthuna ma. Bheka people nabona namanga ngomkhipha ma.
ngithe niyabata go ubhek wena ithi mina go
People. Ushrek unamanga ngina landline mina.
okay ke mara le okay second
I
line
was the only player.
Engena landline.
Pito, angamfundeli.
mara mekafonela
Abobongani Zungu.
mara mekafonela imidi
Kigentoli kama billiard. Mina bengafoneli.
mara mekafonela imidi
Never.
man mekakufuna mekakuthola kuphi mekafuna
Awuna bodyguard phela mina.
Uyalo umuzi wena ethatha.
Phela mina Stuku.
Uvumise mara sesivuma into esizayo.
Bengana bodyguard mina.
So, Muzi,
awuyikhulumi sisi.
what I heard, Sundowns awudlala ungana landline. So when why were you so special ungana landline?
uPito mekafonela imidi yakhe
So there was a day when Upito said to him, I want to meet your wife.
Yo le yamhlanyisa.
That's true.
And that's how I met Upito.
Yeah.
We went to a Clorcop and I met Pito and whatever. And we exchanged numbers in front of him. We exchanged numbers. And Upito would call me. Like I remember there was a game, I think maybe we game on Saturday. Beside Stadium, I think Muzi was playing. Yeah, he was playing. We drove back. Masifika endlini phone yami yakhala. Athi Pito ngathi yabona coach yangifonela. Athi yeah. Ngaphendula ngathi hello coach. Njani sabulisana sharp. Wathi listen, that man must not go out. I need him for a game Saturday, yeah, Wednesday. So mina no Pito besikhuluma into enjalo. And in every conversation that Pito and I would have, he would be aware of it. So no, there was nothing happening between me and Pito.
Because yena like mekadakiwe mekeza ngitshela.
But I understand why he would think something like otherwise, like giving the coach number pamgwakhe.
But bekasiphethe umntwana ngithi. So
That's what I'm saying to him. Yeah, obviously, his behavior is showing now that he was a bit immature. But I'm saying I understand where he would think ukuthi ujola noPito ukuthi they exchange numbers and ngimbonile manje uyafona ebusuku and not like getting the context ukuthi actually I'm trying to look out for you through your wife because abakhona ukukhuluma naye directly clearly if they had to come to you.
They did, like several times.
And
But
they were not getting through to exactly. That's why they came to you. But now, did he ever raise that with you?
No.
Ever?
Phela thina thato sinesikhwela machita. and the two phela uPitso kufanele ukuthi iboss yakhe.
Yeah,
Utshele ukuthi,
understandably
"Hayi,
so."
uPitso putting you in. But don't you think ukuthi Stu iyo into eyamenza i-relationship yakhe no? Yazi uma uspana nomuntu onequal naye.
Any as emotion kanjalo maBenito talking as iguy esumfana ne mfethi medium already yacava ukuthi ngchildish inika umuntu omatured ama number
That's how you can understand.
Mara Stuku, benginamba kaPitso. Benginamba kaRulani. Benginamba kaKwandu Peter ne?
Like I think you had reasons to have their numbers, but I can also see why it is square.
Yeah.
I see it.
mina yazi le ndaba yangijulukisa because of coming to think of it ngana now umuntu okusho ukuthi hey umuzi uchildish I sometimes feel ukuthi maybe ngikutshela uPitso ukuthi umuzi uchildish uPitso about oh phela umuhle wani like I'm just saying
And your coaches, yeah, maybe that's why began square.
yes maybe no umuntu but out of anger umuntu okusho ukuthi hey umuzi uchildish maybe now coach ayi lo muntu lo childish coach abone opportunity
No, Sam, yes, we coach ne.
Yeah, coach.
Who coach I would always protect umuzi.
megafuna ukusikhathi bani
I would always protect him. Like you know ukuthi umuzi wathola accident ku Christine. Uyayazi accident yakhona because you're one of the people that he called for your accident.
Ke le mene le.
Hayi mina leli.
Oh.
Wathola
Judas.
accident Christine. Do you know ukuthi and I think it was after bawine league. Fan ba parade cup next day. Mina lona number kaPitso what do I do? Ngithobela uPitso message. Coach, mina nomuzi sithole accident. Beku driver mina. That time bengubi mina. Sendlini ngilele.
ish tabu ish
So yabo ukuthi kubane number kaPitso. Mina yebo phone utshela coach ukuthi hayi be driver mina.
Ya protect.
True, ke o jaja.
why
No le teng mo.
No, he wasn't there.
umfonethe
Kapelo no le teng. Kapelo ya o ne le mo.
ish yazi to be honest impilo yami yakudala I was always caught in the middle but ngingazi ukuthi ngenzeni and wazi uthatha umpintshi yami nomuzi impintshi yami wanganderstand like ngitsho jang now like my whole life I was always caught in the middle. Understand? I was always caught in the middle. Because coming to think of it, limtu amshapile ngasina celebrity, what did proof?
So we're no fake friends.
Judas.
No, as Chomaka, what did proof?
I cannot have a fake friend. We're not personally as a
I
person.
fake friend. Nekudula kiba caught in the middle.
Because you're fake. You're pretending to her, you're pretending to the other guy. The guy doesn't know that you're talking to her. Get you me out.
No, what's about the guy? Magathi athi kuwali inko uwana kuwele nana sathi.
Stuku wrong wait.
So Thato ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi iyakuphatha kanjani lento le my sister ungena to your dream house with your future husband yabona yonke into yakho ida yo ama dreams akho da mawuthu
The table is set.
mamela akakushayi ngejeke se snake park ukushaya umuntu obode TV.
Ah, meganga
Oh bengathi oh yeah obo samthatha
But
standard.
did you recognize her when you saw her?
Okay.
No. I think ngabuza uSijuku ne.
Yeah,
Ngabuza
wabuza
wena,
mina.
ngabuza uSijuku ukuthi ayisijuku. Umuntu wami uphethe umuntu omusha banijezelisha ubani?
And was it proof? Mamela that was it uselect was it proof? I'm so limited.
Lo?
I need to get that proof.
Asho abanye umsolo umngani because
mengekho.
bekamtshela everything.
yeah.
Wena bongaphala na.
Bekafela le ntombazana.
Angithi ngapha mengasekho. Ungishiyela umngane wami eSouth, wangishiya eSouth Summer Song. Meka ema Carnival City. Usho ukuthi mekafika ucelebrity. Wathi khathi uSijuku.
So
Same applies enzeka na kunja yami loya. Ba uloya sisi loya we celebrity wathi khathi uSijuku uyangithola. Kusho ukuthi manje naye ucelebrity mekafika kuphi emabhakpan sebahlala kuzindle nama double garage. Ucelebrity wathi khathi uSijuku. Lo mekunja ama South obvious le couch leli meka ngekho ayekubo le couch leli labe limhlopha ami esibhekisa abantu le.
Yeah.
Inja yami.
Batshela ubo sleepwalk.
Ishwena man.
Go back sleep. Give it to me.
Bamthole gate nini.
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa. So yeah, understand
You understand?
Yeah, so sometimes like mesekathi ngeke ngisole mesekahlala le Brakpan. Mekahlala eBrakpan then ngila sihlala. Mina futhi ngizwe ngusisister ukuthi umuntu so 1 2 3 4 5.
But when Tato called you and was like, umuntu wami uno, so you still loved him at that time, obviously. Mawuthi umuntu wami ngimbone no. And wanting to find out, obviously you had some sort of feeling.
I don't know about the love part. But obviously, like any other person, you'd be curious. It's okay, who's this? You know, what's happening?
Was he honest?
Yes.
Atibayachola vele.
Yes. It was evident bad job. I mean, I found you in my house. And I think immediately the same night after we left, he deleted all the pictures on Instagram and then started posting this girl. So it was evident that by Joel. So it was evident.
So mina
I didn't need Ustuku to confirm it. Bengifuna ngiphi file nje.
lapho mina ngisakhona ukukhuluma no the guy sekatshintsha ama number salwatshintsha ama number sengikhuluma no sister and there's a lot lentona leyenzile yazi mingabala izinto singahamba la 10-2 okay ngifuna ukunibuza ni 2 I think nike naba ne same accident angithi la kuse trip and pass manje nginiphethe manje mamelani ngiyandrive ke manje mantombazana le feeling le I think le nokila ba leona le na muzu phigile ngwana as much as we check that again ngikhulumeni ngale feeling le ukuthi awumbuze ukuthi lini nabasala baphikha ngwana lini namuzu phigile ngwana
Not for me, ne?
ukabutsa yena kusiphi
Wait, ke araba wena
Okay,
babe.
sharp, my darling.
So for me, when I was in that moment, okay, before it happened,
Okay.
I'd have these visions of what if Motapechangwana, what if and I prepared myself mentally, whatever happens, happens. I'm not gonna take my life, I'm not gonna change the way I live, I'm not gonna do anything outside life for this person. I have to play the cards that I'm dealt. So I had made peace with the fact that whatever happens, happens. So when
So when
couldn't change the situation.
I think for me at first it came as a shock, but also the way it was said, because even it was said masingena endlini usothatha izinto. I'm sure bekafuna ukimpress ugel wakhe. Yafuthi nalo mntana kuso wami. Lona bokhona esibhedlela uzombona. Hayi okay akunandaba man. Sadila ngayo. Ngathatha into zami. But I think as we're driving must pull man I'm like
Did he actually say that? Yeah, did he actually say that?
You know? And I think that's when, I think sometime after that, ngamthumela message. And that's when he didn't want to send imali yomntana. Ngathi, oh, hayi, lost so inqoba ngokuye court. I must figure court vele, hayi. Wayiqhubeka indaba ukuthi hayi umntana kuso wa magistrate athi abafana nawe sibajwayele ke. DNA. Hayi DNA yabuya.
99 point.
Hayibo.
Wow.
Also, how do you say umntana kuso like sihlala si2?
It was the girlfriend.
You know,
I'm not even a girlfriend.
No, it was that he was trying
You
to
know,
impress the
kulobolile
girlfriend.
sihlala si2. You threw a massive baby shower for me. One of the first things you said when you called one of my friends, umntana kutukuvela, uthe, yo, ayina umuntu ofana nami angaze ngibone umuntu ofana nami so. And then 2 weeks later uzothi kusumntanakho, hayi wekudlala.
Men are
nami.
so silly.
yazi Stu Inshaya, you know your first child as a cheetah. And they were gonna be together wamenzela baby shower. Phela manje baby shower uyavuma incosi.
And they're living together.
Yeah,
I
they're
think
living together.
they're living together.
If noma bekesola ukuthi umntana bani, it hurts me because of my child shonele ezandleni zami usi my wife she was still at school. Then I have to go nge-UJ. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi eish ingosi iphola but azangikhona ukumtshela. Ngamlanda e-UJ ngathi man asifike. Kumele siyekhaya kwenzakala ngenta let's go. Umntana sakashonile. Then actually they called me a crash. He was 10. I'm sure lapha crashing. I'm not really Southgate yabantu mabaningi. Ne crash ngapha ekhoneni. Then ngabo 8 then ngabo 11 they called. Mntana ke correct. Okay. Lezo zinto abonyoni and stuff. When I think ubona umuntu but then I'm thatheni imiseli said and when I got there the boy was still fine or then some other woman yabona bomama laba abafaka into eziphi I think laba abacleanayo laba abaphakamta amapilisi athi abhekwa but hayi man this child ngathi umenzile into zenyoni ngathi no I don't believe in those things but all the time ngaleso sikhathi ngiyayibona intwana yami yabo I know that thing when it strikes because I saw it yabo so I took my son at lo mama wathi kune hostel next to Lesedi ngalabo uthwasa ngakhona kune hostel lapho Well, then I tried to rush to a hostel, but I don't know. At Monfika nje hostel, basho ukuthi abosijubhaneni lapha. Amadoda.
Bayathokozisa.
Bayakuvala lapha. At the end of the day, patient besingeni. What. But that time, my boy was because about it. But to
Before you got there.
Yeah, before ngiphuma. Yeah. So I have to nandi media then.
Excuse.
When ngingena endlini fast ngajilo lila ukuthi eish kune flop. Ingosi ibholile ngicela utshela umntanakho because I couldn't tell yabona. So then I have to go ekhaya endladleni. It was a first grandchild. My late brother didn't have kids. So I was staying with my father. Njengoba besihluphe fana independent eMalanga. My mom, she was a helper. Mall of the South. Kalimpinchang said I have to tell my mom. Then when I got there, my mom was fainter. Then ingam la sakhe zamise Mall of the Malbatin Hospital. Admitted. When I come home, I have to give medium. So prepare funeral. Ma figure what medium said. My mom she admitted. My wife admitted. By that time she was still my girlfriend. So umuntu ophika umntwana like uyamgwadisa.
So ngiyabuza yazi msizwana ya uyasithatha phela nathi sinabantwana but thina abanye saphikela abobili mama yazi mina umama umntana wathi yazi
umntana wakho
ngitshe umlungu ayisuke ijumile bene
but manje bayabona ukuthi ngazathi singatry ukupreselana namajita phansi guys singatry ukupreselana namajita phansi angifuni nomuzi simpresele phansi indaba zomntana but you touch something earlier on kimi ngithi kuwe umuzi mekaposta umntana manje esosho umntana ukuthi uzalinga i-donate zaka December mawuthi akamazi usho ukuthini manje ngiba confused
Not that I can per se, but
yeah phela post ithombe uyabona ukuthi ithombe umntana wakho ngiyakhona ukucalculate uyabona ukuthi recent like hile okutshontshile Facebook ayazi lento yabo yithi ama-baby daily ukuntshontsha ithombe zabantwana nisiphilisa kabuhlungu ama-baby mama lento ukuthi nisitshontshise ama-picture abantwana serious wathi
but do they have a relationship?
Uthi usasnape Facebook. It always happened the case. I'm telling you.
Just don't.
Sharp way.
snap again.
Facebook maybe. It's always the case. I'm a baby data chonchi tombe
Screen
Facebook.
grab and post.
Yeah. I don't know.
Na two.
Maschugu.
Was it last year? But also nakhona azambone one of his friends. Ucele umntwana uthi ngicela ukisa ngisabantwana wami eGold Reef City. Ngicela umntwana. Ngathi no problem. Bengimsebenzini ngathi wathi uzothumela iUber. Ngathi sharp uzomthola endlini ngapha address yami. Only to find that umntana iUber mayifika kanti umuzi is there. That's how he got to spend time nomntwana that day. Yes.
That was the last time.
Yeah. And also, ever since I've been young, but I think he came 2 years ago. We birthday care. And that was it, hey? Like, I think I can count the amount of times that Muzi has seen Umdwan. Or Muzi has, just spent time or just called, you know. And I think my thing is now, I always say, there was a time I said to him, okay, financially, you can't do much.
At least show up.
Show up. Just call every week. Hey, how are you? How's school? You know. But if you fail to do that as well, then
It's like, what do you do next?
Okay, at least awumkhiyanga to abonomntana ne. And two, okay, inyuku mangekho yazi isijungu ungaba yimiliyoni ube nanjani. Abantwana noma ungabathengela nje umntana ufuna isikhathi nje. Isikhathi is very important.
Isikhathi.
Mawucama ukuthi uthumele oleli lomntana i20,000 ude uzobona nomntana uthenga. Umntana ufuna isikhathi.
I mean, I think from inside Lagamuzi, the only person that makes an effort and is always there, whether it be birthdays, just school
Checking
stuff, babak.
That's very nice.
Consistent, yeah.
Yeah, machita ne. But episode 2 khiphe iwallet Louis Vuitton.
Unamalini lapha pocketini? Thingibone, angazi maybe boma 15 yile.
Hawu muzi mashaba. Usaphathe Louis.
Umntana lahle. Why angayithengisi azama ukuthenga i-airtime afune lo mntana ya-check up. Yasiboni. Ngaze ngathi yakudala yakalazi. Yawala le yakhe.
Phile encane. Hayi le yakusini.
Ule wallet yakhe le silu.
Moya.
Hayi une original, marokithi. So why angayithengisi?
Ngizwe ngathi uthi
So but manje Thato like mina nina niyakhuluma. Wena na nikhuluma. But now mngana wami ngiyablame because washesha wa move on.
Yena akashesha move on.
Hayi bo ngashesha ngamove on nini?
Mana ukwate.
No, but why should he blame you? Why are you blaming the woman? He was the one at the dining room set and everything.
Maybe mekanga recover mongabuyela
So mele. That's what you're saying.
But
Mina recover makwenzakalani?
But that only one incident out.
Well, also
Okay, no, sorry. It was not. Can I just? It's not one incident out.
Sizo right.
Like I said, ukuthi bengikhathele ukuba yazi mina umuzi ne Sunday incidents. Sihleli mnandi ke siyabshaya endlini senze Sunday lunch siyaswima ane hey 97 khona lo sathane lo wasekhong okokotayo la ingqondo.
Isiboko.
Ayena mega.
Isiboko.
Sunday khona lo sathane okokotayo ukuthi hayi manje
Sihlangana ngama offering.
ngabe wabiza ngempela ukuthi impela ile manje asekhona.
And when uqale Elisa for lovers.
Uyeba
For lovers.
aye nathi hayi ngiyayichitha le nto ngihamba ke manje. And now ucabanga ukuthi phela if uhambile phuma endlini ngabo 9 uyekhongo 10 whatever. Uyobuya isikhathi bani?
Sasa ngiyajimini.
Ngiyajima kusasa.
Nomdala uyafuthisa.
Ufuthise because of yena mina ngamtshela ngathi wena baqala ukufuthisa bafuna ukuthola wena.
Madoda kusho ukuthi abantu baka left.
That's why sibafuna back.
Nola ngamanje nje ukuthi ufuthe aqale.
That's why sibafuna back.
Ngathi ngathi bafuthise wena ngathi abana labantu bababiza ukuthi bafuthe bebafuna ukukuvala bebafuna wena
kahle
and vele yathi nje positive.
Twing.
Umdala kufonela futhi.
Angizwe ngaye mina kuthi ayipheka la umdala
Sesiyafuna.
into so
Ansa communicate nomdala lapha. Hey me stress le communication.
Awusathi mntana why umufuthi?
I think after that we had a meeting naye umdala and
Lama meeting.
we had a meeting naye.
Wena naye
Nomuzi hayi behlala
Oh number
sibheke.
kula
Hayi
meeting.
sithi kula meeting.
Oh, wonke la meeting.
Anyeka washo amanye
Hayi
ayiwani.
wena man.
Usijuku uyathanda ukuhlokoloza.
Thato. Thato.
Hayi malume. Sizo 250.
Guys, nothing happened.
Nothing happened. Kanti why make kumele kube something that must happen kanjani?
Okay.
Thato. Khona into madala. Okay wayenza.
Mina ngimdala bafethu ngina 36
Okay
yazi.
wayenza.
Hayi. Hayi.
Thato. I was born at night but not last night.
Sizo umuntu uyabhalwa la.
Yeah.
Guys, when people
Khipha ipola ngaphandle.
No, nothing
Khipha ipola
happened.
ngaphandle.
Guys, unifirst into engekho.
Guys, nothing
lawyer.
happened. Bekuba ngimhloniphayo.
Why did must something that must happen? Mekumele nje uthi cabanga. When with nothing happen, as a lady mekumele uthi makacabanga shuku.
Okay.
Ungithatha kanjani? Then mengizothetha. Wena yazi uthini? Nothing happened.
Because nothing happened.
Machaka
Sizofika kanjani nothing happened? Mele athi
Ayazi
shuku.
unokusacrifice for
Mele athi shuku maka sizwe.
Hey.
Sizwe mamela uthatho injani? Mekumele athi shuku maka ngithatha kanjani? Uyangaza ngikho lapho. Yena yazi athini? Nothing happened.
Maybe she can't react the
Yeah,
way you
kusho ukuthi-
react. Like you're reacting ghetto, you know?
Yeah,
Calm, like nothing
Hayi
happened.
le lawyer.
Mina bengifonela nje obvious ngeke uyohamba uye clubini uyi1 you need somebody ofana and to be honest into zakudala but so hilile manje ngithi mesibamba vele yangithola I still remember one accident uka scratch imoto kabuhlungu kanjani sibuye eThabu e drive through alala she had a problem of sleeping and that time manje kumele abuyele endlini anyeke umuntu une problem is sleeping even though mengikhona ukuthi ngidrive
I was about to say you let him drive.
no still driver kya deep feel
No, look
Yeah,
at we're not Uber.
Kimsiya ke uba ke gae wa qabana tshomi yaka wa bona so ke ga was always caught in a meeting
Phela shoot does not in between.
ke am driver for ke misa ntlung thola mkhotsi ka mbamsile di swimming pool antsa iketsa peni isa liwa and then you understand when I say
So
my
you
life
would rather let him drive.
my
That's what
friend,
you are saying.
I'm not saying that listen my friend
Yes.
ne na gona go bala mthula ga nzoba mna ngitona shosho asami bile ngakathanda McDonald's
But you know we have a problem.
yeah ngiyamtsiba McDonald's choma ke king le babayo le
I guess it-
Akame ngicela ukushaya yona ngashaya ivati ngizoba mnani listen okay ngiyakwazi ukudrive ngiyayithatha imoto asiva intwana and then mesamba siyava
You were supposed to drive.
ke ya kae
O lo dropa yena wena khutlele hae.
mkhotsi
Motlole mkhotsi ke re shome ya o robetse. So wena o nanne mkhotsi ya wana na safety.
a ke re motho wa foster ngright ntwana ngright ungawa ngright intwana ungawa hayi ngizofika endlini you understand and yabona njengoba seka show manje you could tell nomuntu ukuthi the way aphume ngakhona kaphu khona ngicabanga manje ukuthi lo muntu kusho ukuthi meka ngaphumi ngendlela esharp endlini siza that's why meka ngafuna ukuthi ngizoba sharp ngizoba sharp but nje amebeza bangishayela iround endlandlini da baze sihlale ihlangitiwe ya mina khoma igrinders mina quick grind my intwana nayi
Uyamhlola.
I think to be honest guys if like ngaba honest and open up maybe I need to be honest I think into ebhayisa umuzi ne into ehlala ibhayisa wonke amajita and it happens to everybody once uqala uba nemali eningi ufuna ifebe imali iyabhora it happens to everyone mpinjama uqala uba nenyuko nesizwe seyicala ibabhaya ubona ngazathi you have achieved into achieved in your mind awusayifuni imedia yakhe izokubhora automatically uzofuna ifebe even though ungathaya ukuthi uzo adjust
When I know Tamalena, would you go out with him like on night?
I want to sometimes
Remember that Nana Kiberek. So I can't be going out on a Sunday because on Monday I must come back and go to work. So sometimes, yeah, but at times also I was not.
Did you have a problem with him going out with his friends though?
No, do it. Do it responsibly. Do it you know. And I will always say to him, you must always understand you're not an ordinary person.
anyway street here
Of course, I have to be friends.
Because
Actually, he was not strict, so at least someone has
You're
your
not an
back.
ordinary person. Like, most of accident manje. Puma manje.
You're trained.
Mina mangithola accident manje. Hayi.
Family.
So when mothola fanele thina sigijime mina ngeGrestine ngikhuluma namaphoyisa ngikhuluma namani ngivale. Kuthi wena ungaphumi emaphepheni.
After the accident that you spoke about, Moti, you said you were with him, you were driving. Did he ask you to do that or you did it willingly?
I did it willingly because ngibengibona ukuthi yabona la. Amxosha lo. Because number one, you know, the next day parade Elon, Ikab. Why are you going out? It's during the week also. Why are you going out?
we're protecting him.
mina ngiyaka understand that
Protect isinko sasendlini.
and futhi that's why ngitheme nihlukana nomuzi bamxoshe Sundowns
And that's why he says, uthini angisinja ebelungu. Uphelele manje. Bebangamgadi ke manje. Bekanganayo umuntu omgadayo. Sekatakataka
But this
manje.
is like these are the reasons why women, like men, need good women in their lives. Because it's like you're controlling me, you're trying to be my mom, you are. But now as soon as she leaves, it all falls apart.
And phela was ukuthi usister what I like begespan as a span.
Yes.
Oh, mina bathama
So
make me
yeah,
right.
maybe it's because of his earning a lot of money. He thinks he obviously is a man, head of the house. Lapho I respect that, but at the same time angithi unalento ukuthi phela angithi uyazama chitha sinokushawa lento ukuthi ayisamele ameholo kungidlula iholo kungidlula.
But now why nina nemali eningi nijikela abantu that stuck with you before niba? Why?
Emfethu labantu abasestrateni bayayuzwa.
So nani niyaphendula babayizwa nani niyakhithi?
No, asifani. Sengisho ukuthi labantwana ngazi ukuthi basipane ebhenko bayawuzwa thathu bawuzwa ngathi uyiphethe bayuzwa.
So babayizwa so wena usawutla wakho high.
Ke mamela re ka kena le mashima really for ke le mkitchini.
Yeah.
Yeah, batse ba re machita santipile ke kene le machita.
Yeah.
Ke kena le machita ke ne ke order nkopa. Esicela mayine sayifo what bawushebile banye ba hayi le irana le. Nangu umuntu ephethe.
uzana
Bayizwa.
that's why bathi amantombazane izinja
Guys,
bakhona ukunukela umuntu ophethe imali ningena ni9 nigcoke ngokufana nibahla
yeah, that's not a bad thing. It's a good trait.
But,
See,
yeah,
butter. No, that's a good thing. And I love it for women. But what I'm asking is, uthi bayinukela.
Yeah.
So when abayinukela, you forget that you have a wife.
Why do men
It depends ka wena ka motho akere asifani.
Mara babuela ke ba la sa le re bayinukela. Eksenkare ke fault ya banyana ba ba le nukelang. Lona is not your fault.
No, le gona ke fault but it depends ka motho. Iya nge-character yakho.
So what makes you act out of character again? Maso nemali eningi.
So mawuso angithi so abanye imali angithi imali ikhipha original character. Khona umuntu uma eceda ukungena. Yabona abone ngathi bonke umuntu umncane or in like yeah khona lezi imazi nenyuku kubo bayasaba like uyalwa or in media thuka in but mina what I like usesteri azange abe azwana ne-soccer star and emuzi was there Sundowns bafana usesteri bekezo azispanela azange afuna ukuba ile queen or i-breadwinner umuzi wejimini i-breadwinner usele nesinkwa uyaswima uyagena imini yonke wenzani uyaqhubeka waspana
and Araba, another thing nethatho you must know this ne before umuntu aba nemali let me tell you uyuhle khanhle ngola ku high so before umfana aba nemali ungena kuma social media abheka bosijuku abheka boshaba athi one day mengaskima le umuntu that time straight ne media yakhe lokubheka usijuku athi amawala wala at the day ngiphatha yonke le ngizoyifuna la and umuntu mekaqala iphatha uzokufuna zakuthola mina abaningi ebangitshelile ukuthi yazi intwana yami idala ukuhlanyela wena wazi ngikuhlanyela ngile kuphi ngisazama amakhole emamayinini ngitheme ngithola lamathenda ngimekhisha ukuthi ngizokufuna ngikuthole That's why ngilandelelile ngafika la ngasibloma khona ngafika ngathi 5 minutes ngathi 500 ngathi number yami wena ngunamanga ngizomfonela kusasa njayami over grand sesingabangani from lapho. So that's the first change.
Le swag man, you bana ba swag.
And enye into esikhawutha yini mamela
Bathi mali uhamba uyi1.
enye
Wow,
into
fethu ingata uli1
mamela
musi.
enye into wayisengithwe ngking awukula kinalusheba so lo mntana uthathu like yabo but akuna confident yawushela
So at that moment ujola le motho nje si type yawo.
no akere si
Ake go shebile nna o batla nna mara ona confidence.
akusobili chelete ne but kunalento lekhiyo lo mntana uthathu jo but ha ke ba le chelete se ke bona ukuthi ama mthatho ngam khona into
That's what I
engamhlebela
mean. So
yona
now that's what I'm asking. Hore, at that time, also really chelete ujola le ing. Is that your type or is just the person who pushing now
ke type
until you get your
ya
type?
but kunezinto uma unemali ozilangazayo
and so lo mntana lokudala umfuna.
Yazi
Ngisho mikasho ukuthi lo mntana ujwayela usijuku. Usijuku ngiyomfuna ngize ngimthole. Lidingi banemali. And umuntu uzokufuna kuthola akenza umaqala akathi emada ugrand akayi kinamangma ushayanga endaweni mina ngitshela what happened ushayanga ugakhot mani kushaya corona ushaya corona xa ireba ufethure mbathi ayi na uthuku ubani le. That's how life it is. That's ngasesibadala manje yabona athi ushaya corona ireba ufethure mbathi bagathi umuntu akana kina Peter so I kihlala mo South ba original ke tsola Free State dobo but ke na lo tshwara ke tla ka mo Jozi Span yeah man tlamela blom ke sane hey mara ke shega golo bo ke se stena o tla ba airtime ntshware ka o sane re bona re ka etsang
yeah
namang umfonela meka qeda ukuphumula uvayile sharp uvayile sharp Piloski uvayile sharp and then what's going to happen the next day mamela Piloski go shell and then mana khona ba nalubona ngwana umuntu nalomposter dintsanka ngwanolo ngidedele ke mina ngisena uPiloski nja yami ngithola as much as that's why ngisho now isizwe mfethu it happens now uyacafa as much as ushile kwenye episode wathi wakubiza lentwana wathi meeting
yeah
leza ngento ezithale
lento zamathethe
what yey
uzolimala
so like
Banna wa ba rata ekthangare women are the ones that are after money. Le lona ke mona le batsa shimane ya banna ba bang was chelete. Ya banna ba bang. So le wena go tsho slay queen. O mathisa chelete ba shimane go groove. O thabela Remy Martins jogu.
Tato
mamela okay sithoke ngilungisa makelelo nathathu mamela
You guys are always saying hey basadi you go to the wait.
Do you mind if I finish?
I will not let you finish because you guys are always on that tip that women you go to the club to 10 rand you're not expecting to go with the nigga. Why didn't you go with the nigga?
Okay when experience yakho ngomzi wena ke sekaqala phathi imali yilo experience uyasho ukuthi meka arrogant mongaboni lo arrogant ku Free State dala khona
mina ngimazadlala iSundowns.
Okay Free State policy meka introduce meka
No beka sadlala iSundowns beka kudumsayina
ayi sayina
So
ungena
wena ngengesayini
awungene nayo bangena together
shingana mlenja le yathi 4 room
yo okay
how yathi khathi ngi 4 room
mamela
Yeah,
Tato
chelete ewo.
lilona mase sisilayitile la fire akusana thini ke frustrated
It's what women like saying, Khore, I'd rather cry in a Maserati than in a shack. So shack has to in a Maserati like starting. No.
sho ne bonga suthanda
No, like you saying, Khore, you were with the person because you can't go for Tato. So then I can have my preferences and be like, I will cry in a Maserati than in a shack. And that's what I choose. And that is me as a person.
So okay ngicela ukwazi ke le ito zakamuzi yazazi lezi zemali nani meka kuphathisa amakhadi mowenzani momika kanjani kuba umuntu wakho wahamba emakhongo why wena ongabamba ikhadi guys sometimes ngablame umuzi why angabanga umfazi o responsible abamba amakhadi asingacindezelini umuzi asicindezeleni naye niyaswima why ungathatha amakhadi ungenze excuse ukuthi bekazo straight lakhe
I had access to the banking app.
why blockanga
For what?
mufuna
What How much you know that you go to work?
makunabo kwamula
Umfazi wakhe mele kwamule nambe ngizoyiqwamula vele.
How?
khona into ophumela
Yeah, wenze kahle.
awuthathanga next
No.
but somebody uke wathi umuzi mekalahlile vele true my friend
ayes
le
yeah le
No, beka lahlile kanjani?
like meka
No, bengithatha imali.
angaboni mina nginabangani bayithathela abangani bami ngayithatha vele mngani
Sometimes wangaboni man. Sometimes futhi bengithanda
Into zakudala, so
Hayi ngithanda umshaya makalele.
Sekazi.
Ngithi ubuye khongo 5 ujoyela kabi wena ulele. Phone icimile ngithi ngizoyilayita le ngizoyicharge nje ukuthi ibambe 2%. Ngithi banking app.
Yeah.
Ngithi 10,000.
Anike ngabuza ubona ngathi idle konke.
Delete message.
He'll think he ate it
Noma
at home.
kavuka.
Ya uyambona ukwamuli.
Anike ngakubuze.
Akayiboni.
manje guys ngicela ukubuza lento lekudala ngisho
I think because he had that much money. He didn't see it.
Ngicela ukuyibuza uzobona ukuthi abafazi ezinje so mekavuka sithando sami muthi my love
Hayi ngime la phela ngikwadela ukuthi ubuye ngo5 hawu.
lapho ukhuluma nale insight yakho ukuthi lo akazi Chudi made
And then makangigwadise kahle. Yabona makasangigwadise kahle. Yes Juku, makasangigwadise kahle ayinya transfer ke pa ngishiya message. Athi le mali yani. Ngithi heartache. Soothe it.
ngeke basho bathi umuzi ngemali
Sisterhood is part of you, girl.
so wena monga transfer eba 14
It's true. Nekile ngwana next no, I want but if I was Tato, if I was her age.
so my friend yazi mokulokusho kanje ngine feeling yokuthi like I feel ngathi uyihlakaniphele leya
Kakhulu.
No.
yazi une cherry emshaya inyuku but athi wakhona ukuyithola so manje now if momshaya what if mengaso celebrity mekuwe
So what happened was he had abantu
Alexander.
yes, you know.
Abosatha.
Yes, abashay F yangithola. So luckily I had friends all over vele emhlaba jikelele. So bathe mabathi don't you stroke but man le number siyayazi.
Okay.
Yangithola. That was the last point ukuthi alo semshaya vele nginyuke ku busy vele network yahlala.
Yeah.
So ngayi31 izinja zami zingifonela zingithola. Uyangithola. Mazithi vele ziyangifonela kuseni ngiyi31. Uyangithola from ngiyi30 bangifonela. 31 bafona vi ngithama nawuthi ngantsarela amajini. Bafethu fere kambani bathi Charlie. Le sifuna ukukutshela yona siyeza manje sendleleni. Sifuna ukukutshela face to face bafike. Hayi ngibavulele sharp. Ebafethu fere bathi ndoda. Phela wena namhlanje wena kube yonke imali yakho ufushayile.
Le fraud.
leyo ukuthi nayo ngene epila lele ifort or even ngo
That's fraud. You're taking money.
Without his consent.
I'm taking my man's money. I have access to the app, so my man.
okay sharp le mali bam
No, ngizwile khuluma ngayo ku episode 2 angithi.
Yeah.
No, le abantu base Alexander. No. It's not.
mara yena meka dakwe meka bala
Not that bega udakiulele.
Yeah. I
It's
mean,
not a matter
yeah.
of ukuthi la
Under
ulele.
the
Yeah,
influence.
ndabumangalela ngesikhona kumthola because uselebha akekho na because uzikhulumela naye uzozikhulumela ngoba sinaye. Yayithola machakacha.
yeah ne yazi
So ulele so ngena ke.
uyithatha mnganami elozophola after ukuthi ubuye khona ukuceda ukuzithumelela ne
Ngizophola.
Yeah. Imali
Imali yapholisana. Phela ngilalanga ngikade wena ukuthi uyabuya.
worried
Kwenza ngwaridi ukuthi phela umuntu lo unokulahla bekuma accident. Usase right endleleni.
So kahle kahle uyazibhadala.
Ngiyazibhadala,
Kile
yo.
phela nje.
angena
Oh.
Yabona ngizwe igate livuleke bengithi. Okay, we're
They
right.
come.
Safe.
there comes
I think my
money.
biggest fear actually kuma accident was not that publicity was uzochayisa umuntu bulala umuntu. That was my biggest fear.
yeah
Did you even think unokuthi your biggest fear could be him dying? Phela ngazibulala yena ku accident.
Ah, makasibulela right. As long as angabulala ngomunye umuntu because then it becomes it's jail time. It just becomes big. And then how do we salvage that? You know? Ngiyabona lezi ezincane lezi ukuthi hayi ngiyaphuma manje ngiyaboshwa. Sokwazi ukukhipha man so bhadala ukuthi hayi man police. I mean we've done it a couple of times you know to say but yokubulala umuntu.
Mina ngithi Tato maybe lento ukuthi asimntwana nami maybe ukukhulumisa ukugwada. Because nani women's man kwatile nikhuluma into ezikade ahamba ngepipe encane ini maybe kwata adiltwe iselebe and what
So,
part at
ukwatise
the
yini?
end.
Ukwatiswe yini?
I think njengoba na ukwate first night since uphumela until ulapha ngokwami.
Wayangamgijimisanga. Yeah, nina wengatshela umngane
Iselebe no iselebelila.
manje msize ngifuna ukubuza something mngani wami uqale nini ukubona ukuthi awusamthandi mngani wami musumuva first time my friend
I don't think it was a matter of the fact.
Awe, ma.
I don't think
awusathi wasihlanyisa ubuye
bengasinto ukuthi angimthandi. No. Angihamba because angimthandi. No.
kwambe
Angihamba because angimthandi, angihambanga because bekajola. For me, I think my biggest thing with relationship yethu, tshwala. Hayibo alcohol.
But mnanda benetshwaleni first date.
It's not a matter. Umsebenzi. Masicabange lesinkwa lesi.
Wena ulwela lo msebenzi eSundowns plus
Yeah,
ngapha uzofonela wena.
yeah. I mean, he supports the
uzofonela
family.
wena
Tato,
phela.
first
Meeting.
date yenu benetshwaleni.
Hey,
But don't do it excessively.
Yes,
Uphuza, guys. But
Uz-
uyawa manje uyachayisa.
Who's ubuye? And like I said, you're not just any ordinary person.
You're a brand.
You're Mzgaisa
So
Mashaba.
coach wamfonela ukuthi move out.
Hey, wajabula maybe that's why
No, I think the only person engakhuluma naye bekurulani ngamtshela ukuthi umntana sekavelile or was check or something, I can't remember, but the only person bekurulani. And then obviously because besihamba my case, at times he couldn't go to Jimin, so they ended up knowing ukuthi we're not together
Yo,
anymore.
mara umfazi wami sekakhuluma nabo coach. Hi guys. Hi. So ngisho ngobatshela nabo coach ukuthi I have to babysit him. I have to.
No, I didn't do that. I think I would protect Muzi. I would protect him. The mere fact that I was able to call and say, guys, kushayise mina. I wanted to protect him, you know.
Yeah, lapho
But
uyaplay
ezinye izinto
big
naye bekazibonakalisa. I mean, you know, ucoach had abantu bahlale khona banikade. Ucoach uPeter bekafika, mawufika athi izolo usekhona ugcoke sona so wenza sona so. He knew. He knew.
So coach uye wabona ukuthi like obvious maybe so uphumile uyambona umuntu usijukuma kasachangile then aba le communication
No, we
after.
didn't speak after that. Azange
Do
sasikhuluma.
you remember instances before you left that made you feel like this is not going to work?
Yeah, I go back. Jwala. You know, just for me coming back ekseni. You know, just those little things. And I was like, and that's when I got tired. I said, I'm not going to cope with having 2 kids. I'm not going to babysit umntana omncane and then having to babysit Muzi. Ukuthi, no, ungaphumi. No, ungaphuzi. No, seku-right manje. No, do you know what I'm saying? And also, I don't think you would say to his family, okay, sinenkinga is so. Na inkinga. Let's put it on the table. I don't know what the deal was. I don't know whether bewangamkhuzi or bewangakhuzeki or but you know. So if uzohlula abantu bakini nami uzongihlula.
Yeah.
So Tato phela manishadile you've got the right to drive your car uye kaBomuzi. Phela manishadile uyakhona ukubiza i-meeting, parents meeting.
No, bebasho ukuthi sombiza.
Yeah, babiza bahlala bakwa Mashaba ngapha bahlala bangifumi yona ubeke unpack yonke into hamba amakhongo nabo omunye umfana usijuku wasedeep ufumlethela amayelofoni wathi ubeke like unpack yonke into. Did you do that?
I did. Bathi bazombiza, bambize, bambiza yi-1.
Wazange nibe ne
Bambiza yi-1 and phela mina ngikwazi ucontrol abantu bakibo. If bathi sombiza, okay, mina senginibekile ke.
And mina bengiyothi right, ngimsupport umngane wami. I always give him
friends.
Mina bengikhuluma nabo bayazi, bengibatshela ukuthi ayina inkinga enjasha. Nayi. Bathi ayisombiza, bambize, bayikhuluma I'm sure. Bona as defender ngakhona phela.
Yeah, I think for the sake of it, in a point in life.
True, and
Sometimes
which is for me, you know.
No, besides
But that's a good question, guys.
No.
It is a valid question. But would you want to like have some not even a relationship like you and him, but like some sort of like foundation where there's a safe haven for your son?
For my son, yeah, of course.
Yeah, like umntana ko.
100%.
There's umntana ko like boma. I'm just making an example. Like crash, you graduate, you come together, you pay like
I don't mind, but he must be the one. Remember that I'm not going to run after Musi. I'm already doing my part. I'm already doing a lot. He must come to the party. He must be the one to say, okay, ngifuna ukuba involved. Okay. Kwenzakalani? Maybe angaqala ngokuthi umntana ungenaphi isikolo qala.
Hey.
Yeah, ne.
Uyangithola? Then ngitshela ukuthi ayungena endaweni so ke ngelanga lisokwenzakala, but he doesn't do that, and also I'm not going to force you to be a father. I'm not going to force you to be involved.
and ubonakala ngathi aswila ma baby mama drama.
I know.
Hayi yena kana idam. So my friend Mamela ke bheka umuhle kanjani. To any young girl ozobheka le episode ojola ne soccer star, like umkhuthaza umadvise ukuthi aqine inhliziyo phela you became a strong woman. Uthi ucoshwe kanje seniplanile nisuke eTown Dladleni ningene ku double garage. Give that child usuka ne boyfriend yakhe ukuthi ku 4 room le yakini Twitter now to like mnika advice like you're a strong woman. No my friend, no you strong. But imagine mina ngithi ngizokuthola so
Hayi mngani ngiyangawonda. Bathi angihleka athi nimbona uwonde kanjani? Nithi vele siyangiyisa stress abe singishaya mngani.
And it's right to admit that you're going through a lot.
I was going through a lot. Like I've just had a newborn. All of this happens. But anyway, to go back to your question,
Yeah.
I think for me, just have your own. Have your own, you know. I think the one thing that I never lost was I still continued with work, still continued my life, my friends, my family, you know. I was never a soccer player, no. Just have your own and just, you know, build you first.
Before you jump into
No, before Uba.
but now you do have a boyfriend. So manje ubhizi ngani?
Recently just finished my diploma in beauty therapy. I've got a lash bar called Lash by T.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm running that, but also want to expand into training your beauty.
That's beautiful. Like coming from me, a single mother as well, I am very proud of you. I love your story. I think you are gorgeous, phenomenal. You're going to inspire a lot of women that are going to listen to this because not a lot of women like to share what they've been through. But I love the fact that you had the courage to come clear your name and be graceful about it. Props to you.
Like, I don't know you before, but as you should, you are losing weight and then wabuya walwa, pera you look good.
Stunning.
Sabano pera padiametro, yamplasha.
Yeah, hayi siyawuzwa 250 wafethu. Ngizwile mantombazane ngisayiphinda ushilo uThado wafethu. Athi mamela, have your own. Kwamanje please guys, don't forget to subscribe bafethu. Please always make sure that you subscribe. Siyayivala ke manje le episode eyizoshisa le episode. Sithi thank impilo, thank imali uvalo dololo impilo ololo asibone. Mengizwa vele ngifuna ni-clarify vele abantu bathanda manga at least ngizizwa for ngini. Lento le bekuthi mebaphuzela amajita ayikho ne.
Awutona gadanga saphuzi vele. Kasekabiyekile utshwala. Njengoba like bekachayisa manje gadanga phuzi. Instead umuntu obachayisile sizwa ukuthi bekuye bekaphuzile uye bekadriver on the wrong side of the road. But ingeke kube i-issue yena ngoba yena akadlali ibhola.
Yeah, like why bangakhulumi ngayo that part ukuthi how the driver was under the influence. Nothing. Not even indaba yakhona. All we heard is Sia and the teammate passed on and that's it. It was an accident. That's why people create stories ukuthi baphuzile ngama AM bebadakiwe in. It's because that could have been clarified if the information was taken out. It was the other driver's fault. He came onto the wrong lane. Yeah. Why is that not a thing?
Is there even a case against him?